Hi guys, today I have a video from a viewer's request. Basically, I have to take a 30-second exposure photo, but before that I have to click on the screen to focus and drag the exposure bar up to the max and then see what happens. So let's do just that. Okay, so we select the 30-second exposure and take a sample so we have a base to compare the other results with. Now I'm gonna pull the exposure right up to the max and we take the photo. As you can see, there is a bit of a difference between the photos. Let's see what happens if I choose a different spot in the photo to raise the exposure from to the max and then click the shutter button. So guys, as you can see, we have three different results, but if you ask me, I'd rather take the photo standard and then edit it. If you'd like that in a future video, please let me know in the comments below.